Too many businesses struggle to keep up with tech changes, especially when they don't have in-house leadership to guide decisions. A recent Gartner report says nearly 29% of mid-sized companies and over a third of large ones are worried about getting their technology right. Christian Hewitt, president at Crescent Tech, puts it plainly: a reliable tech partner can make all the difference in making informed decisions and staying competitive. You don't need a full-time CIO to get strategic IT leadership. A virtual CIO gives you expert guidance without the high salary. They work remotely on a contract basis and help align your IT with your business goals. That means smarter investments, stronger cybersecurity, and clearer long-term planning. A vCIO helps you stay ahead, not just fix problems. They evaluate your systems, shape your IT roadmap, and manage budgets and vendors. They also make sure your cybersecurity meets industry standards and regulations. This approach gives you the leadership you need without hiring another executive. It also helps your business grow with technology that adapts as you scale. You avoid waste, reduce risk, and stay focused on your goals. If you're relying only on traditional IT support, you're missing a layer of strategic direction. A vCIO doesn't just support your systems, they plan for the future so your business stays competitive. You can read the full article now on our website and add this to your playlist so you don't miss the next one.